That was cool. Oh my God, you got so close to that pole. I think he's down. I think he's dead. Zach, are you gonna get up?
I was thinking it was gonna hit the pole.
I know, no, I know.
Sorry. I thought you were gonna hit the pole.
Maybe you should go a little slower on the way back where the poles are. Hey, why don't you go slower on the way back when you're heading towards the poles?
If he hit the pole, this is what he would be done.
I don't want you to hit the pole.
Run the nail.
Yeah, let's not hit the poles. That would be bad.
Thank you for saving me. First wipe out. Yeah.
Here, guys, stand. No, Jacob, back up. Back up. I'm gonna take a picture of you. Okay, now I need to get the thing in there.
Let's hold it up. Let's go hold it up.
Okay. All right, that's good. Yep.